Welcome back, dear traders. Let's discuss ongoing developments on Wall Street and try to predict further trends. The stock market remains under high volatility. Yesterday, despite mixed market sentiment, major stock indexes closed with gains. The pre-market today promises another pessimistic session. Why? We will find out. Market quotes on Wall Street gyrated on Thursday but eventually closed with gains. The Dow Jones closed 1.3% up, the Nasdaq climbed 2.7%, the S&P gained 1.8% to close at 4,176 points. The positive sentiment revived global markets today. Asian and European markets closed in the green. However, Wall Street might close on a pessimistic note. The major stock indexes are losing ground in the pre-market. The S&P is expected to trade in the corridor between 4,060 and 4,210 points. Interestingly, notable growth on Thursday occurred despite bad news. Investors neglected mixed US statistics, hawkish comments by Fed policymakers, and the gloomy forecast of a Microsoft revenue. A burst of optimism was strong. What happened? Fed Speaker Lael Brainard stated that the US Fed would hardly interrupt the ongoing cycle of rate hikes in the autumn, so there are no preconditions for opposing a monetary tightening. The leading hedge fund BlackRock revised its portfolio to increase short positions in oil. JPMorgan CEO compared the looming challenge for the US economy with an economic hurricane. Today, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced plans to fire 10% of his personnel. Musk said that he has a premonition of an imminent economic upheaval. The news came as a bombshell, dragging the oil market down. Tesla stock dropped 3.4% in the pre-market. Elon Musk was heard by a lot of economists. These fueled fears, and the long-awaited non-farm payrolls came in line with the expectations. It means that there is no hope that the US Fed will suspend the cycle of rate hikes in the second half of the year. The US dollar index slipped to 101.70 yesterday, but regained its footing today. The greenback is likely to receive solid support from the strong labor market. The intraday corridor for the index is defined between 101.30 and 102.60. The US currency is poised to surpass and settle above 102 points amid the favorable background. Apart from the worries about the slowdown in the global economy, the US dollar will enjoy upbeat starts. The US Labor Department is expected to report strong employment in May, so the US Fed is sure to carry on with its drastic measures against soaring inflation. According to the fresh non-farm payrolls, the US economy created 390,000 jobs in May, stronger than the forecast for 325,000 jobs. In the minus side, the unemployment rate remained flat at 3.6%. Nevertheless, the jobless rate remains at the lowest mark since February 2020. Economists had projected a downtick to 3.5. Despite the advance of the US dollar, its Canadian peer is unwilling to give up. The USD CAD pair is trading firmly lower, and today it's trading at nearly 1.2560. The corridor for today is in between 1.2547 and 1.2650 with a downward bias. The loonie owes its strength to the recent rate hike by the Bank of Canada and its clearly hawkish rhetoric. Besides, oil prices halted their rally after the market digested the increase in oil production rates by OPEC and its allies. Both Brent and WTI again recovered to $117 a barrel amid concern over the global oil deficit. The cartel and its allies again shared production quotas among large oil exporters, including Russia. The crypto market is again trading in the red. Yesterday, Bitcoin plummeted below $30,000 per token. It seems to lack momentum to rebound. There are no fundamentals for the growth of digital tokens. The outlook for Bitcoin is bearish. For the time being, the flagship cryptocurrency is trading sideways at around $28,400. The scenario of a surge in the value seems unlikely. Under current conditions, there is a slim chance that Wall Street will regain momentum in the near future. Still, wonders happen like it was on Thursday, and today his scenario seems unrealistic. Whatever trend is unfolding, we wish you profitable trading with InstaForex. Have a nice weekend and see you on Monday.